Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for the Federal Electric Vehicle Tax Credit, step by step. This valuable incentive helps make new electric vehicles more affordable. To qualify, both you as the buyer and the vehicle itself must meet specific requirements set by the Internal Revenue Service. It's important to understand these criteria from the start, as this credit is exclusively for the original owner of a qualifying new clean vehicle, not for resales. Next, let's look at what makes a vehicle eligible. Your new electric vehicle needs a battery capacity of at least 7 kilowatt-hours. Additionally, its gross vehicle weight rating must be under 14,000 pounds. A crucial requirement is that the vehicle's final assembly must take place in North America. You can often find details like battery capacity, weight rating, and assembly location on the vehicle's window sticker or through official government resources. Beyond the vehicle itself, there are purchase price and income limitations. For larger vehicles like vans, sport utility vehicles, and pickup trucks, the manufacturer's suggested retail price cannot exceed $80,000. For sedans and other vehicle types, this limit is $55,000. Your modified adjusted gross income also plays a role. For example, married couples filing jointly have a $300,000 limit, while single filers have a $150,000 limit. Finally, let's discuss how to claim this credit. You'll need to complete IRS Form 8936 and submit it with your tax return. As of recently, you can even choose to transfer the credit directly to the dealer at the time of purchase, effectively reducing your upfront cost. However, you will still need to file Form 8936. Given the complexities, it is always wise to consult a qualified tax professional for personalized guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.